and in this short video I'm going to present you the design patterns applied in my project Lexi, which is a text editor for Android devices. And basically I'm going to describe you the most crucial design patterns applied for the course Design Patterns and Software Architecture 6075. So this, as you can see, this is Lexi, and this is an application for Android. And basically on my right side I have an emulator, just you can see the functionalities of it. And so basically you have two options. You can either create a new document or open a new document, and settings that we will see later. So basically if you click on a new document, you'll have this screen. So this is basically, and as you can see, it's decorated with a border. We'll see in a few minutes that you can change the decorator, and basically you can start typing. So basically you can say this is an example, and then click on the new line and type hello world, just a random example. So the most crucial design pattern here is the row composite. So basically the composite pattern. So you have a tree, each tree has a row, and on the rows have custom characters. So I named custom character just because I didn't want to have conflicts with the character class, which is wrapper of char in Java. So I named it custom character, and basically this implements a the composite pattern, and basically this is an award. And the other design pattern that I want to talk about is whenever you click here. So this is you have some options. We'll see as we'll see further. One of the options is to count the characters, how many characters. So as you can see, there are 31 characters here, and this is implemented by the iterator and visitor pattern. Iterator iterates through the characters, and the visitor, whenever this is a character, then you increase the counter. So it counts how many characters are in the text tree. So iterator and text tree is crucial. The iterator and visitor, very crucial patterns. Another feature here of the application is that you can select a substring of the text, so select specific components within the text, and basically you can change the phase. So if we select cursive, for instance, you can see that the phase changes as well as the size. So if we click on the size here and then we say size, we can make it large. You can see the difference. So basically this is a nice feature, and the custom character here implements a flyweight pattern, and the flyweight pattern, I'm storing the intrinsic state. As you can see here, the custom character is only stored the char. So the context of the extrinsic state is being stored in the row, and we can save memory by using the flyweight. So we use the same objects. I have an example here of how that works in my report, so you can read it through my report if I find the visitor. Oh yeah, there it is. So yeah, I show how I store the extrinsic and intrinsic state. So you can read the report, but it's a typical pattern as described in Gang of 4 book. So basically, this is an example, and the other cool feature that I want to talk about is the Memento pattern. So if we type test, so with the command Memento, you can have the ability to undo redo. So basically, you can see the undo here. It's performing. Then we can wanna redo, and the redo is working. So basically, this is achieved by the command Memento. And another cool feature here, if we type count characters, just we can verify that the count is dynamically increasing and decreasing, as well as the undo, redo. So basically, this is some of the crucial patterns applied here. And what we want to store next, we want to test the ability we can save text. So each time we save text, and by the way, the alternation of fonts. So each time a character is being stored, it's an HTML. It's injecting. So I'm using HTML injection within this view here, so I can change the cursive and I can alternate the font as well as the size. So each time I make a change, the HTML within the text changes, and this is achieved by the HTML injection. And of course, we can save here. So example code. We can save. So context saved successfully. So if we go back now on the front end window, well, I want to show you this decorator pattern also. So this time I check normal decorator. So you will see the difference. And let's say I want to open the example, right? And then this is the example. And as you can see, the decorator, it's different. The previous time it was a black border, and now it's just a focusable edit text. So basically, you can keep writing, etc. So no big deal. It's the same thing. And basically, I apply another MVC pattern as well for all these changes, as well as all the other patterns, 18 patterns I'm describing in the report. So basically, you can read the report and see how I apply the different patterns. And yeah, so this is Lexi is for Android devices. I'm Anelos, and thank you very much.